Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tux of Tech. In this video, I am going to tell you how to repair a earphones which is not having a jack. See, this is the wire which I have took from my broken earphones. I am entering a small pipe like thing into the wire. I'll say why I have entered the plastic thing at the end of the video. See, there are four colors: red, blue, green and gold. I'm going to attach the wires with the other jack which I have taken from the broken one. See, I'm separating the wires so it will be easy for soldering the wires. See, the four wires of the jack should be attached to the white wire so that the earphones will get repaired. First of all, twist the wires so it will be easy for soldering the wires. See, this is how it looks after attaching the four wires with the other four wires of the black jack. See, I have attached the blue wire to the blue and the red to red and the green to green and the gold one to the gold. Now start soldering the wires with the lead. So now I am going to solder the wires with the machine. See, this is how it looks after soldering all the four wires. Now I am going to tape it with the tape so that while using the wires won't get mixed up, so it will get spoiled again. So I am taping it with the tape. Start taping the four wires separately so that they won't get attached to each other. After taping it, cover it with the plastic one which I have took in the starting of the video. See, this is a use of the plastic one. Now after fixing the plastic pipe like thing, start taping the both ends of the plastic pipe so that it won't move while using.